when tapping. It happens to me every 5 minutes. And then the coffee So help me out. What do you do? I was trying to set the clock, so I can't stand up. And then, I'll get back to this later, right?